Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, good morning. You are inside the butcher's floor where patience meets pressure. The only clean cuts survive. Let's carve out some opportunities this morning, everybody. Let's get into this, what the news is on the day. What do we got here? Canadian participation rate, Canadian employment change, Canadian unemployment rate. It's all going to be really bad, but it's not going to affect the market. We do have PCE at 10 a.m., US PCE price index month over month and year over year, 7 a.m., which is 10 a.m. East Coast, US core PCE, and consumer spending month over month. So got a bunch of news this morning. Also, University of Michigan, US personal income month over month, U.S. real personal consumption, month over month. University Michigan expectations prelim. So it's going to be a pretty action-packed morning at 10 a.m. East Coast. Currently bouncing up on ES here, and let's get a look at here. YM or NQ's bouncing pretty solid right now too, pre-market. Okay, we got the opening bell now there, guys. Good morning. So we got 2 people in my X, we got 2 people in Nick's X, and 3 in my YouTube. Good morning, everybody. All right, popping up a little bit more here out of the gate. Let's get our view ups going here.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, ripping right now, guys. We're up at previous value, previous day high right now. Wow, quite the bounce this morning on all three indices there.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
We just ripped right to midnight open. What the heck? Oh,
Music licensing
Nina.
reimagined.
Hello.
Hi, what's up? Can you hear me?
Yes, look very good. You look like you're ready to pilot a plane right now. I like the headset. They look a little different.
Thank you, thank you. How have you been?
How you doing?
Really fine.
Have you been taking much trades?
Lately?
Yeah. Very
Yeah,
good.
not more. Not more. I've taken
Music licensing reimagined.
like 5 trades so far this month.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I think I'm too zoomed in.
Yeah, you're.
Like
What's,
this. I don't know.
That's on your laptop, or are you on something else?
I'm using my phone as a webcam.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
It's very clear. It's much more clear than mine.
No way.
So,
Music licensing.
we're going. Market's going crazy this morning, popping up.
Let me check. Yo. Straight up. Seems like we are reacting off of previous New York viewer. I don't know how I'm going to solve this issue of being zoomed in. Let me see.
Can you? It's not something you do directly on your phone. Like just like use your fingers.
No, my phone is already established somewhere, but I think it happened a bit.
Artlist.io.
You taken any trades pre-market?
Nope. I was up pretty late. I had a hockey game yesterday, so I slept as long as I could this morning.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right. Oh, it's Friday. Gonna get it on.
And we have some news in a minute at
Yeah.
10 a.m. 10
10
a.m. Yeah.
Lots of news.
Yeah. Can you hear some background noise to my side?
A little bit, yes.
Okay.
35. So 10 minutes till I can take a trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah.
So Zach Garbucci's on prop for match, and then he's got Evan from ASFX. They're both over there.
So Austin is streaming with Randy only.
Yeah, and usually we get what's his name, Lawrence and Tanner today,
Yeah.
but we will see.
Music licensing reimagined.
Couldn't get that midnight open price. Zach Garbucci made that one video about trading towards midnight open price, which often works really well. And the market just ripped right to that price before there's even a chance this morning.
Yeah.
So too bad.
IO.
This candle that formed that 8 time just one day straight.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
It is Friday though, so I'm gonna be taking it pretty easy on my trades today. Had a decent week so far.
You traded all the week.
What's that?
IO.
I mean, you took trades from Monday.
Yeah. My currently I'm up like 1,600 on the week.
1,600.
Yeah.
Let me check.
So I'd
Music
like to finish the
licensing
week
reimagined.
with another green day.
I think I'm up like 3K or something. I think 3K.
Oh hey, there's Keith. Keith, we've missed you for a while. How are you doing? I sent you a message on Discord to see how you're doing, but it turns out like we're in the same. Obviously, you're in our Discord, but I don't have you as a friend. So, hey Nick, morning bud.
Isn't he coming on?
Nick just popped in. Yeah, I gotta get rid of this little QR code.
Music licensing
How are you doing, Nick? It's
reimagined.
been a
I'm
while.
doing all right. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Good to hear.
Oh, I got some flu, but I'm really
Ooh.
fine.
That doesn't sound like fun.
I had the flu not too long ago.
Maybe it's
Nick did
the
too,
season.
Yeah. Tis the season for everybody getting sick.
Artlist IO.
Right?
Maybe Nick, the biologist, knows why.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Do you know why?
No idea. Need to
There's
start
no
studying
way.
viruses. What
There's
is
no way.
Music licensing reimagined.
oh, looks like gold is popping up higher.
Yeah.
I've been in a gold long since about 8 o'clock this morning, so
Oh yeah.
yeah. Just 3 micros.
I actually just got into a YM long here.
Artlist IO.
Really?
You,
Yeah, up
you're into longs?
135 so far. Oh, going back a little bit.
Before the opening range. I see how
Yeah.
you're breaking your rules here.
It's just ripping, dude. You know.
I'm not mad about it.
Music
That stops in
licensing
profit at about
reimagined.
130. I'll bring this over here so everybody can see what's going on here. I'm just trailing this really tight here, so There we go. We're out. All right, $160. Nice.
Hey, hey, hey.
You in?
I'm already out. $160. Yeah.
That
In
was
and out.
too
How
far.
you do it.
Yep. Oh, and it still popped up. Got another 20 points after that.
Wow.
Yeah, YM, man, that's crazy. This is my 150k eval account, so I've been trading that a little bit higher size, right? I've been trading the minis on that. So
All right.
one mini long.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trading my small personal account today, so
Oh yeah,
that's why I'm in a gold trade and not a MES or NQ.
yeah. What's gold looking like though? I haven't really looked at it. NQ's pulling back pretty hard actually now, after
And
Oh, there you go.
MES is really rejecting.
yeah,
About,
NQ just isn't really cooperating with that right now. This happened earlier in the week, right, where YM was kind of the leader. Just
Yeah, it happened on, was it Wednesday, Tuesday?
Tuesday or something. Yeah, I
Somewhere
think.
around there.
Yeah. And YM still going. That's what happened to me too, actually, on that day. I got out of the trade and it just kept going.
Yeah, I remember that. That was a day for you. A day of being green and still being disappointed.
Yeah. But hey, I wasn't a pig, right?
Yeah. I mean, you were green. That's what matters.
the phenomenon of being a pig is, he really got me. That's hilarious.
Yeah,
Like,
that's
how
that.
do you
Remember,
think
I said Nina.
Either a bull or a bear or a pig? Hell no. That's really
pig.
funny.
Yeah.
Every once in a while, I have a good one.
Yeah, that was purely Nick's saying. I totally stole it for that video.
I'm not mad about that.
Like, why a pig? Like, how did you think about it? All of the animals.
You ever hear the expression "as greedy as a pig"?
No, my first time.
Okay, well, it's a thing.
Well, great pigs are definitely greedy. They'll eat anything, and they'll
Oh,
fight
yeah.
each other to eat it. So
Oh. They
I
got
don't
no
know if that's
left.
exactly what it means, but oh, Nick had to probably has to do something.
Are you still hearing the background noise?
I'm here. Nick just probably had to deal with something there.
Yep.
Like, are you still hearing the background noises?
Sorry, one sec. Let me. I'm just gonna turn this music even more down.
Well, I can't hear you over that damn music.
Yeah, me too. That's what I'm gonna turn right off here.
Kids with your rock and roll elevator music.
There we go. That should be better.
Are you still hearing some background noises from my side?
No.
I haven't.
Okay.
Okay, so our range is set.
Yeah.
That was fast. It was a fast 15 minutes.
He said made 155 last night and locked out. Oh, Keith said he tilted the other day, so he stepped away. Yeah, makes sense.
Dig it.
Makes sense. Definitely should be stepping away if you feel a little crazy. Glad things are okay though. I was just like, what happened to Keith? He's like,
He disappeared.
disappeared on us.
Until day starts out when you think you're smart. That's when it happens to me most of the time. When I'm like,
Yeah,
I got the direction correct, everything is on point. That day never ends well.
I'll be right back.
No problem. Kind of looking like longs are coming back into play here. Fell down
Yeah.
to overnight view up and held, and then
I
now we're
think
popping up a bit.
I think on an MES when we break 68.85, I'll get in longs.
Yeah,
But the red flag is we just rejecting the high of 68.86, and it was a high that was supposed to be broken. So rejecting it doesn't look good for the longs as I narrated. But
yeah,
when it breaks 68.85, I might get in longs.
yeah. Keith, I did send you a friend request. To Keith535. Nina, do you have another Discord name too?
No, no.
Because somebody sent me an invite from Noble, and then it's NOBILESNFT.
Check. Mine is Noble 022.
Yeah, okay. So this is probably somebody's scammer.
No, I cannot. I'm not that big to have impersonators.
Well, I mean, it's so funny that somebody has used the same name. It says Noble.
Oh,
They're smart. They'll use anybody. Hey, Nick. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've seen, oh God, maybe 50 of them so far.
Yeah. Never ending. So we're me and Randy are setting up a get together in Canada on December 19th.
Really?
Yeah. Just for, well, whoever wants to come, but mostly just local. Obviously, probably just local people, right?
yeah.
Yeah, nobody wants to go to Canada in December.
Well,
Why?
we don't snow here in Canada or in Vancouver area, right? So it's
Yeah, but
actually,
what's the temperature like?
yeah, it's like probably 10 degrees or so.
No, thank you.
Yeah, it's
Let me,
not.
let me correct my camera and not be too zoomed in because it's weird. And I'll be back.
Okay. Looking the longs currently. But yes.
I'm with you on that one. I like the longs. I'm gonna wait for a pullback though.
Yeah. I'm just gonna grab a coffee here real quick. I think we were just talking about Nina like a day or two ago, like wondering where she is.
Yeah, it was a couple of days ago.
Yeah. So she must have heard us subconsciously.
Her spidey sense was tingling.
Yeah. Maybe is Lance Canadian?
How is
No,
it now?
no. Lance is he's from
Okay.
Kentucky.
Yeah. He's a
I
farmer
think
guy.
now. I think now it's okay.
Oh yeah, perfect. There you go.
Okay.
Then make you feel a little more comfortable rather than be so zoomed in.
I was too zoomed in.
Okay, well, we had a fair value gap there, but we've closed it now, so this is not a fair value gap. Hey,
So,
Zara, good morning.
so it broke 68.85, but I decided to pass on that because honestly, it didn't feel like an A plus to me.
Well, we got the pullback, Nick, and I didn't get in, did you?
I did.
Nice. I got a coffee instead of a trade entry.
All right. Well, priorities.
Missed it so far.
I think we'll get other opportunities, better ones.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen the? Have you heard the voice note I sent you on Instagram?
No, I didn't. Let's see.
No, you can hear it afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about someone who just scammed me, and recently I found that his address is now based in Canada,
Oh yeah.
and in the procedure right here to get that person to interpose and stuff, it's quite hard. I was asking if there was a way of filing cases online on in Canada or something.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I'll check it
I
out after.
Yeah,
just added another 2 to my MES and brought my stop loss up into profit.
You guy, man. Leaving me in the dust here. YM's pushing even higher now. Also, NQ's ripping. Everything's just ripping.
I'll take it.
Oh, we still got orders still up at 6,900. It's been there forever. I wonder if that's what the end
We're at
goal is going to be.
68.90 right now, so I'm not. I wouldn't be surprised if it got hit today.
Yeah,
I was saying that yesterday.
yeah.
If it could break through that 68.70 level, then I was looking at 68.90 for a target.
Yeah. And we
And it
on
definitely
this
broke
morning's
through it.
pullback, we basically held the 70s, right? So
Held at 68.58 was the support level.
oh yeah, 50, 68.50 area. But it is Friday, so we got to be careful.
absolutely.
Now with this going higher, hey, it just took my profits. All right,
Nice.
look at that.
Nice trade, Nick. It's should have skipped the coffee so fast. I had another hockey game last night, so I'm a little low on sleep, as usual.
Yeah.
And we got our butt kicked yesterday, 6-2.
Yeah, at least you didn't get hit in the face with a puck again.
Yeah.
That cage working out for you.
Yes, it is. Back to opening range high.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm taking a one contract long here at opening range high. If we start printing a green candle again here, I'm probably going to add to it. See if we can't basically take the similar trade to the last one there.
Definitely not mad about that.
I'll wait for another high to be formed. That means I would like sort of pullbacks either to New York Fuel and then I'll look for longs.
All right, 2.5 minutes on this candle here.
Okay. Here's your stop at 68.82.
Oh shoot, we got news in 3 minutes here. I'm gonna put my stop in here.
Oh,
See if I can't get out of this trade here before the news. We got 2 minutes till the end of till the news comes.
let's see what the news does. Do you think we'll reach to 69.00?
I mean, that's where the orders are. So Bookmaps is saying there's a good chance.
That's what I'm looking at as a goal for the day. 6,900 on ES.
We might reach there.
I did add one contract to that. So how long do we got here? We got a minute and 30 seconds or so. I might just end up putting my stop slightly in profit and just see what happens on this candle here. On the next candle, probably gonna wick me out, but better safe than sorry, right?
Yeah.
Well, right now, I am in 1 mini on a contract on gold at 62.7350.
Yeah.
You do not care about the news being in 50
No, I've been
seconds?
in it before I realized that the news was coming up.
Oh, okay. Some measures you're going to take, like
Well, I've got a
trade.
stop loss in.
Okay.
If I need to cut it, I'll just flatten my order.
All right, 30 seconds left here. Okay, I'm gonna drop my stop now. I might get taken out before this candle ends, but it's not worth the risk, right?
Yeah, 100%. Anything can happen right here. We are to the high, rejected it fast.
I'm actually trailing it pretty tight here. I'm out. It was at $12 only, but I just don't
It's
want to be in it
okay.
for the candle. It's gonna wick,
It's okay.
and it's bullish, of course.
It really has, but it doesn't have to.
Oof.
It might just turn around here.
All right, that one went against me, so
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
I had a tight stop loss in on that one, though.
Okay.
You were in sales?
I was long on a gold contract. It just pulled back and stopped me out, so.
Oh, okay.
I wonder if Czar bought that bottom of the opening range there.
I'm going to bet that he did. That sounds like something he would do.
Previous day VWAP bounce. Or overnight VWAP bounce.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, on a gold trade, I want it to stay above 42.68.90. If it can keep bouncing off that level and going up, I'll get into another long.
68.90. We have a nice bullish fair value gap in there. And 68.90.
If it breaks through that, it's going to be in that channel, and I don't want to touch it.
Gotcha. Damn. If I would have just like left my stop break even, I would still be in that trade.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of bounced off that 68.90.
68.90, there was the bounce, but it just keeps playing with it now.
Yeah.
It's like it's tickling it, so.
Oh, look at that candle. Damn.
Oh, it's funny. I just pulled up the EMAs on that. 68.90 is right at that 9 EMA.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
We got 65. Yeah, 42.65 is the 21. And the 65 is way down at 59.70. So I'm still a little bit long on gold right now.
Yeah. Hold up pretty good. Got 6,900 is coming in right now.
Those orders getting eaten up.
Willing to short it right now. I bet the 6,900.
You say you're going to short it at 69?
Yeah, I had that urge. I'm not going to do it, but
I was going to say, why? What are you thinking? Yeah. What is your reasoning behind that one?
Well, 500 orders, pretty key level. Might just reject off of it. Kind of like fall off the edge of the sidewalk, as those guys on the stream say.
Let me see if I can get another win today and end my week clean.
Yeah.
If you can end your week green, don't worry about how much green it is.
ZAR got in before market open at 616 average.
Jesus. He's a madman.
Wow. Yeah, that's... So we... Obviously, you saw the pullback. Found a little bit of support. Probably got in on the next little pullback candle there. 8:55 a.m. probably.
So I'm going to wait for this candle to close, then look at another gold long. Do 500 in risk.
Nice. Oh, there goes those orders at 6,900, or a chunk of them, anyways. Not quite 69. 68.99.50. Zach Herbucci's so upset right now with how the market just keeps going higher and higher. He's like, what the hell? He doesn't like that kind of... He likes reversions and stuff, right? He likes pullbacks.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, oh, there you go. Boom. Right through the 90s, 900s.
You can't trade ICT if the market just continually goes higher.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, you can, but it won't be fun.
Same here, I'm waiting for sort of pullbacks. There's no way I can get in when it keeps ripping higher.
Yeah, it is. It's hard to get in. Feels like chasing. That gold's kind of pulling back a bit more, hey?
Yeah, I think I may have to cut this out early. See if it bounces off the 66 level.
Mhm.
That's what I'm hoping. We'll see if it does it. If it goes through the 66, I'm just going to cut it early and
Yeah.
possibly call it for the day.
I really don't want Project X to go because
Yeah,
I
you like
really love
Project
trade. Like I love trading on Project X. Don't want to learn how to trade on Tradeovate or on each trader. Would be great if Project X stays on other farms, not only Top Step.
Yeah, you might have to only trade top stack if you want to keep the Project X.
I don't know what I'm going to sacrifice. Either be on Top Step or continue with Trading View.
Use TradingView. I like TradingView better than
Tradeovate?
Project X anyway. And yeah, and Tradeovate. I'll
Yeah,
use Tradeovate before I'll use Project X, but I look at Project X and it's just garbage.
Why?
I do not like it. Sam, I am. But that's
So
just
Tradeovate and Ninja Trader look like they're odd, odd analog, if I can say.
yeah.
yeah.
Ninja
Yeah,
Trader owns Tradeovate, or Tradeovate owns, I don't know which way it goes. But you can trade your Tradeovate accounts on
Trading
TradingView.
View. Yeah, yeah.
You can
Trading
copy
View
them all to that.
is much more better when Project X goes.
I've always been a fan of TradingView.
Yeah, yeah. I've been with Trading View before Project X.
All right, so today I've taken a $426 loss and a 1,900 win.
You still
So
green so
yeah, I'm still
much.
green. I'm green by a bit. So
Yeah.
this
How
being a
many
Friday,
accounts are you trading today?
I'm sorry, what was that?
How many accounts are you trading today?
Only one. I'm only trading one account today.
Oh, okay.
For right now, anyway. We'll see what happens after I close this one out.
Okay, okay.
Oh, you got a nice bounce there on the gold. Wonder if that's going to signal that the other indices are going to pull back a bit or not.
Gold long. It's up above
Into
that
another
at
run?
9 and 21 again. Got a limit order in at 42.68. And oh, come on, get it, get it.
Trying to hit the
Got
take
it.
profit.
Just took it.
Nice.
Just doing another $500 worth of risk on this. But it's green for right now, so let's just hope it continues going up.
Nice. I was typing, so I muted my.
Oh,
I gotta mute my mic.
You don't have to. I like that sound. It's the sound of hard work being done. And mute your mic. That is obnoxious. Yeah, I just want this this gold to sit above that channel between New York and midnight.
Yeah.
Everything is lining up for longs right now. We got the midnight down at 42.52.70 and New York at 42.68.70. If I can get another 10 points out of this, I'll be very, very happy. And
seems like MES doesn't want to pull back. Extra time before we start the weekend. But when it reaches 12 without a setup, I think
Music licensing reimagined.
anybody in anything right now?
still flat.
Yeah, I'm flat also still.
I'm
That
the
was,
only one in a trade. What's wrong with me? What am I doing wrong here?
You're
You
looking
got-
at gold. I'm not.
Oh, all right.
That's probably
Well,
why.
hedge funds age. What can we say?
Lots more
Keeps
orders
holding
coming
it.
on. 69.05, 907.
Reimagined.
Huge sell ball right there, though. 84 contracts sold at 69.02.
Bookmap shows the number of contracts sold.
What who was it that helped us? That was Ju-
Somebody. I don't remember.
Justin? Was it Justin?
Maybe,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, somebody recently told us that you can set like parameters around those little balls that form. So if you set it to like 50 contracts and more, it'll like only show the ball when somebody buys or sells more than that. So that's kind of yeah, that's what
That's nice.
yeah.
Yeah, it's really
We can
nice.
see when those big orders come through. And then kind of go off of price action after that, right?
This winter blues in the market here is starting to affect me. Got
Yeah.
lower volume, everything's just moving up slowly,
Yeah.
but it's this low volume that's turning into a royal pain in the ass. Just trying to be patient and sit through trades longer is
Yeah, it's
starting
good
to get to me. I don't know. Have you noticed that how much the volume's decreased over the past 10 days?
I haven't looked that closely at the volume, but that's very interesting. Like, I'll look at the daily here. That should give me a good idea.
If it continues ripping higher, we might touch 6909.
Somebody just get murdered over there?
I
The
heard
hell
that.
was that?
What?
Nina's throwing a party back there.
Yeah. Yeah, since
She got 2 girls in the living room. They're not leaving until 6 in the morning.
since November 20th, yeah, the volume has been like cut in half.
That really happens at the end of the year. So you guys are not trading you in holidays, something.
I mean, I trade holidays still, but he's he's just referring to, you know, the price action slower now, so you got to be a little more patient for it to get to your
Yeah.
targets. Yeah.
All right, I'm locking in some profits on this and adding 3 micros.
Nice trade there. Yeah, it's popping up real nice. Your patience waiting through the pullback there.
Yeah, I didn't want to add to it until I was well in profit, though.
Yeah.
So I got 6 micros on there right now.
So here's the thing. When I started out, I was trading gold and I was really taking loss after loss. And that affected me to the extent I never look at gold chart.
Okay.
Yeah, gold can be real heavy.
Yeah. So when you can consistently win and you can consistently lose when you're not right about something.
Yeah. And they all move differently too. If you're used to NQ or ES or gold or ether, whatever it is you trade, the market moves differently for each one of them. And when you get used to it and get a feel for it, like trading NQ and ES it's not the same beast.
No.
They
Not
are
at all, right?
different animals entirely.
What are the differences? Like
Just the way that they
your
move. You
like
trade NQ.
your experience with gold. How can you differ it from NQ and ES?
Generally, it's going to move in the opposite direction of, like, if you have a real heavy downturn in a market, gold's going to go up. People hedging using gold contracts. And then you got like NQ, which NQ can be rough just because it moves so much so quickly.
Yeah. So tech heavy, right? It just can.
It's tech heavy. It moves very quickly. It can be a royal pain in the aspirins.
Yeah, it'll pull back those extra 30 points just to stop you out.
Yeah, you get
Before-
30 points in under a minute.
Yeah.
You get 30 points in 10 seconds.
Yeah.
And people are like, ES is that it's like that person who respects everything, but for some reason, they do not like him or her, and he or she is balling in a way. So some people, ES, respect all their confirmations and how they want to trade, but for some reason, they do not want to trade it. I don't know
Yeah.
why.
Well,
Weird.
it does move a little slower compared to like NQ, right? Or whatever. So maybe that's why it's like the gratification is a little more delayed on
Yeah.
ES, I think. But it's also
Yeah.
safer because it doesn't go the opposite way just as fast, right? So
I mean, it will occasionally rip in one direction or the other, but okay,
Ooh,
I am
gold,
locking in
holy gold.
250 in profits.
I just saw it rip out of the corner of my eye there. It's like, woo!
This is really good. How much are you up, Nick? Oh, you don't really know.
Right now, 1955.
1955?
Yeah, gold is looking real good today. Czar said I'd love 900 today on MNQ. That was like a long time ago, 8 minutes ago. Almost got to
And
900 there.
on
860.
NQ, that is a long time. Got to keep up with these comments.
$616 to 900. Hey, Czar.
He's streaming on platform match.
No, Czar's doing his thing. That's Zach
Zal,
and
Zal in the chat. I remember
no,
the
Zach.
guy.
No, Zach's selling prop for match, but Czar is a different trader.
Yeah. I know him in the chat and on Discord.
Yeah.
Am I gonna get rich today? Come on, keep moving up.
Keep going.
Yes,
You're already leech,
that's the
man.
movement I wanted.
Need a
I'm
new
gonna
high.
lock in another 100.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Gold rised 1%. Silver rose 3% today. So silver is probably looking pretty strong too at the moment.
I have never traded silver.
The only reason I said that is because that's the note that came through from
Okay.
Financial Views. I've never even looked at it either, but I was like, oh, okay, silver's looking good too.
I've had some finance gurus saying that a person needs silver. They need like 10 kilo of gold and some shit like Swiss francs to be settled in life. And I was like,
Yeah, I just
Well,
opened up the silver contract here. I've never actually opened it up before. SILH 26.
H or M or Z, I mean.
This one just Project X put me at SILH automatically, so
Really?
yeah, not sure why.
It should be Z.
Gold contracts are on a G right now. For the February contracts have the most volume.
Yeah.
Still not a huge amount, but it's enough to make it worth trading.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, somebody tell me to be patient.
You still
So
in?
you holding?
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Nice. That's kind of what gold likes to do, though. It likes to pull back, right? Before it's going to take that next high. So today, natural gas is wild. I think it's a commodity thing today. Everything is up. Okay. That's Azar.
Mhm.
Nat gas. It's another one I've never really. Well, I think I pulled it up a long time ago just to peek at it. But natural gas here. Oh, yeah. Pretty wow. Look, it's been going up like all day.
Oh,
Like from 3:50 a.m. So like 6:50 East Coast. It's just been straight up.
how many
Okay.
points is there? How many points?
It's like it's 7% up, but 0.35. So
7%.
7% up.
yeah,
Clock
Alright.
funds,
24 bars,
clock
7%.
funds, 5% blue. cannot allow you to be in that move.
So if nat gas is up 7%, right now gold is up 0.78%.
Yeah.
Like, what's natural gas?
Natural gas is explosive.
It is.
And today's
You're
a good
just stealing
example.
all my lines this week.
Yeah.
Next thing
I
you know,
beat
you're going to say oil is slippery.
beat you to the punch.
You did. You got me.
You're too focused on your gold trade ripping higher right now.
Yep. I'll let you do the funnies today.
So it's a combination of some gases. Like, what are they used to?
Natural gas?
Yeah.
Natural gas is just like it's a it's a clean energy produced. They liquefy it and then you can that's how we heat our houses in Canada through natural gas.
Oh, okay.
That's how
But it's
Dave
a
does it anyway. He just
pretty,
lifts his
pretty
leg,
yeah.
lights a match.
Natural gas. It's just to collect all the Canadians' farts and then so gross, Nick. So gross. Why do you gotta say that?
I'm sorry.
Starting to get a pullback. We got a bullish fair value gap sort of down at 68.94. Is the middle of that gap.
Let's see
We
the
got some,
reaction.
we got some orders at 95.
Fine.
Let's see if this gold trade goes through the high of day.
Still in?
Still in.
Are you trailing?
You say, am I training?
Trailing.
Oh, trailing. Got it.
Yeah.
My stop loss is in at 42.71.
271.
I'm up over $2,000 on that 150K eval from Take Profit Trader. I really want
Today?
to. No, not today. Just since I got it like 4 days ago now. I would like to pass that. It would be beautiful to have a 150K funded account.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Then I can start
So
the bigger size trades here.
gold just made a new high a day.
Nice job, man.
42.79.90. And now I'm just looking for a Randy B candle.
Initial balance just set, guys. So
Perfect.
It's so big.
Oh, keep going. Not sure how much I have locked in, but I just moved my stop loss up again.
Where?
Stop loss is at 42.75 even.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think this is actually going to continue higher.
Music licensing.
yeah,
I'm not
strong.
seeing any reason to get out of this yet.
It's going higher. You keep getting richer and richer. You buying a yacht?
Yeah, I wouldn't buy a yacht. I'd buy a plane,
Break out another
helicopter.
1,000.
What was that?
Break out another 1,000. Boat. Boats are pretty pricey.
Okay, new high. Stay in this and call it a Friday ripper.
Friday, Jack the Ripper.
You can jack the ripper. I'm not doing it.
It's now pulling back. Is doing what I don't really want. I want it to pull back.
Hmm.
Music licensing reimagined.
At this point, I'm feeling like I should just walk away from the desk for a half an hour and come back, leave my stop loss where it's at.
And you don't feel the stress.
Yeah, and feel my blood pressure going up. Because I know my butt's gonna pucker up as soon as this starts to pull back a little bit.
I'm assuming you're locked in profit though, right?
Oh yeah,
But it's just like giving away that green.
yep.
Yeah,
Similar
I do not
feeling.
want to do.
it really sucks. You're like, you can't really know if the decision you made it was the right one or it was the wrong one. Like on the other trade Dave was in before the news,
Mm-hmm.
for some
Oh yeah,
reason,
I mean, I cut that with a couple $100 loss. So I had it set up for a $500 loss, and after it started pulling back, I just didn't want to sit in it and take the full stop. So looking back on it now, I should have just left that order in, but I'm not going to risk it with a news event happening.
Yeah, makes sense.
yeah,
It's just at that point, it's just risk management, not reading the candles, because this past couple of years with news,
Yeah, it can be pretty volatile.
I'm not trading news events unless I do it accidentally like I did today.
I can't wait for the ES to pull back.
All right, I'm locking in 600 in profits.
Nice, Nick.
Nice,
Still
nice.
10 points below current, so
I'm actually in another YM short here. Going a little bit YM trade. I'm in a short here. It's up $30 right now, one contract. So hoping to get a little more continuation. I put my stop into locked it in small profit here. Targeting the low of a couple candles before's wick. I'm out actually. So that was a total break even trade. $0. That's too
You
bad.
were
$0.
shorting.
Yeah.
You see the reason why I I was trading fair value gaps, and after seeing the fair value gap marked out and not tapped into, I was feeling the loss of like I'm missing out, and then I could go in,
Mhm.
and the market pulls back, takes me out, and I was like, this thing of fair value gaps is not mine, and I went to something uh, of breaking. When it breaks, I wait for break to happen, and it's more easy for me than well, it became more easy for me than to wait for a fair value gap that
Hmm.
might feel or it might not. But when you have two swing points, the breaker is all either going to happen to the upside or to the downside. Either way, it's going to break if you're not ranging. So, and that really became more easy for me than marking out a fair value gap. And sometimes in a whole move, in a swing, there are multiple fair value gaps, and I was having troubles to mark out which one is highly have higher probability to be tapped into.
Music licensing
Hmm.
reimagined.
All right, I just locked in another 200. Just move my stop loss up a little bit. I'm gonna start trailing this a little bit more aggressively.
Wow, that's looking so good.
Nick,
Now.
when did you get in? What was the your entry price?
My average price is 42.70.
Nice. 16 points from
16
there.
points, 6 contracts total.
Nice. 160 times 6. Those are micros, right?
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm in 12 contracts, not 6.
Okay.
I have my um thing set to sell 6 at a time.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow, nice pop, Nick. Looking so good right now. Gold and everybody's starting to pull back a bit more here. Oh, there goes my YM trade. It just ripped lower. I was just
After taking you out?
yeah.
locking in another 200 here.
Nice, Nick.
Nice.
So nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
How many contracts you still have on?
It's 12 total. I did 6 at a time on this one. Micros, not minis. I wish this was minis right now.
Oh yeah, that would be a huge trade. $100 per point times 12,
Yeah.
$1,200 per point times 16. Wow,
That's crazy.
that's savage.
We're gonna maybe get a little pullback here. Maybe. How's ES looking right now?
Yes, it's been consolidating. It's been going pretty
Consolidation.
sideways.
Okay, then I'm gonna stay in this trade.
Yeah, it looks like ES wants to go lower in my at least a bit.
Yeah.
That was heading a little bit lower. Kind of maybe found some support actually on Dow.
All right. Well, if Dow and ES are going lower, I'm just gonna stay in this trade.
So I think I'm going to leave the desk.
No
Done for the
trades?
day. What
Or
time is it where you are?
I'll come back like 45 minutes after.
okay, cool.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. It was nice
Yeah.
seeing you again, Nina.
Yeah, thank you. I always appreciate you guys. Take care.
See ya.
You too. See you later.
Yeah, see you.
you still in that guy?
Still in it.
Nice.
Just waiting for this this candle to close to see what I'm gonna do next.
Yeah.
I've got a stop loss in, so my stop loss is in profit by $650. No, $850. So no matter what, I'm not losing on this trade.
Nice.
But I don't want to lose more than I have to. So
Yeah.
after this candle closure, if this prints red, I'll be looking to just flatten my account. If it prints green, I'll just move my stop loss up a little bit.
Nice. Yeah. Keep locking in a bit more.
Mm-hmm. Because this could go higher all day, and I would not really mind a $10,000 day on a single account.
Yeah, no doubt.
That would not make me unhappy in any way, shape, or form.
Totally agree.
Music licensing reimagined.
Especially trading micros.
Artless IO. Music licensing.
Yes. NQ pulling back nicely here.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate the info. Looks like gold's following him a little bit here.
Artless IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, they're pulling back. They do have a bullish fair value gap there. Okay, it closed on, took out one on NQ anyways. Took out one bearish fair value gap.
We got a little bit of a pullback on gold here. 4-point pullback.
Artless IO.
Again, still not really seeing a whole lot of reason to get out of this yet.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's still lined up for longs.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm short on YM right now.
Are you?
Yeah, I got back into that short. It's going in the money. I'm gonna trail it a little more aggressive here. Might get stopped out. I'm up 120. Here we go. We're out. So what did I make there? Oh, what the heck? $85. That was in one of my smaller TPT accounts. Good thing I got out where I did actually, because it bounced from 73 to 91. So
Or you just make $80 in like 4 seconds?
no, I was in that for about 4 or 5 minutes or so.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I wasn't paying much attention. I've been staring at this chart with my butt cheeks clenched.
Yeah, no, that's kind of why I didn't really say anything, because it it was like bouncing between break even and $50 negative, and then it finally went in the direction that I was hoping it was going to continue.
You know what? I am cutting this right now.
Yeah, you might as well.
And I'm
Right.
out.
Killer trade though. Nice patience.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I locked in 85, and that's my 51 or 50,000 TPT funded account.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so that was a good one to lock, and good thing is able to hit my stop right now. So huge bounce. I should have seen that coming when you see gold pulling back like that. That now the
That it's gonna
NQ and
bounce.
ES,
Yeah.
NQ and ES are bouncing, right? Sort of stuck in
Honestly.
this consolidation zone, so I don't know if we take
Looking
much.
at gold right now, the trend that it's been on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start looking for another long around 42.74 or 42.64,
All right. Yeah.
depending on what ES and NQ are doing.
Yeah. 42.76 is kind of like the last high before this new high. And then we have fair value gap at 42.73.40, and then 42.72, and also 42.69. So lots of bullish support down
Yeah,
there.
I was looking at support at 42.73.
Yeah.
42.79, 42.73, 42.64, and then down at New York. But everything is just lined up for longs today. If I can get in at a good point after this pullback and then enter on strength, I think I'll be set for the day.
Czar said closed his NMQ. It's tough to be patient. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I like things to happen quickly. I want to know if I'm right or if I'm wrong very, very quickly.
Nice trades by you guys, for sure. I guess all
Thank you,
three
thank
of
you.
us got a green trade out of that. Well, Czar's savagely
We-
green.
Yeah, Czar's what, 50 grand for the day? 60 grand?
300 points or something, wasn't it? 616 to 200 points.
200 points on a
NQ.
mini?
I don't know what he's trading, but
Yeah.
size wise, but
I just assume when they say NQ, it's minis, and MNQ is micros.
oh, he did say MNQ, so
Oh, okay. Well,
just
either
did.
way, that's still 200 points.
yeah, killer trade.
That was very nice. All right, I got to step away for a minute.
Sounds good. So why I'm looking like now? Why I'm a little bit bullish at the moment.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
All right, just locked in a quick $50 scalp there on NQ. I was looking over, and it just was taking the New York view up. So took a quick short 5 contracts short, and then went in my favor right away. So I just put the stop into profit. Didn't want to risk it bouncing back on me. So another $50 in my top 150K account there. How long was that trade? It was 11 seconds. That trade. Nice little trade. I like the fast trades. Probably could have held it longer. Looking like it wants to continue lower here though, but I got in at 86 and out at 81, so 5 points. Kind of finding a little bit of support here at the 79. So, oh, there we go. 71.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sorry, that was a 47. Yeah, 47.50 trade.
Artlist.io.
We're kind of in this, just tapping into this 5-minute fair value gap here. Curious to see how this ends up playing out on the NQ. Tape's ripping right now. Going real fast.
Artlist.io.
Ooh.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Sounds like you're beating that thing up.
I am. That's that keyboard. Working on those guitar string fingers.
Music
I'm glad I pulled out of this when I did.
Right?
And now a word from our sponsor, headache medication. It's great. When you're
Yeah, locked in
Feeling
that
crappy
locked
in the
it
morning.
at a good point there. You really were patient though to like for it to really start to tell you like, yeah, it's looking
It's
like it's gonna
turning around
make a
on me.
substantial pullback on you, right?
See, this is where that reverse button would come in handy.
Artlist.
But we're hitting that level of support that I called,
Oh yeah.
52.75. So I'm going to start looking for another long on this.
We did print 2 bearish fair value gaps, obviously, on those last 2 candles.
All right.
So depending on where this candle closes, whether or not the second fair value gap sticks around anyways. I took a little NQ short scalp there. I made 42.50 in 11 seconds.
I just want this to bounce off that New York VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
If it breaks through it and starts heading towards midnight, then I'll start looking at shorts. Gotta wait for this 5-minute candle closure though. Oh, that's
Music licensing reimagined.
pretty good breakthrough.
Oh yeah, wow. Oh, but it's back in another fair value gap from which was that level. I think you said 73 was kind of one of your entry ideas. Yeah, it's
I was looking at, hold on one second, I marked it up on my other chart. 74, and then got it at 65.
Damn, I wish I held that that NQ short.
As it's going to pull back to start a day.
Music licensing reimagined.
We did have a double bottom at 67.60 at 10.10 and 10.5 for the candle. Well, there was a closure at 10.10, and the opening for 10.05 was at 67.50.
I see that. Yeah, there's a bullish fair value gap from what is that 9:45 candle left there, and that was like those two candles kind of like broke out of the bottom of the fair value gap but closed inside it, so it didn't break it.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
This is why I like trading with you. You see all the stuff that I don't.
Yeah, I got all that nonsense.
You're helping me. You're helping me out here. I wish I had more to bring to the table, but said it before.
Well, hey, I think my risk management has been getting better, so
that's good.
Something you bring for sure. I think I'm at 100% win rate currently today. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades so far.
I think I'm at like 75, 60, somewhere around there.
Yeah, because you cut
pretty
that
big
one.
difference between 60 and 75, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I had that one.
Yeah, you cut that one gold trade, right?
Yep, that one
Which was,
loss.
I mean, you took it, got rid of it before. I don't know if it would hit your full stop, but
I don't know if it would have either.
But yeah, I mean.
Oh yeah, it would have. Yeah,
Yeah.
it would have blown through it by like 5 points.
Okay, there you go. So then you can always look back and be like, yeah, that was the right choice to cut it early, right?
That is one thing that I do like about me is my risk management.
For sure, yeah.
I like that about me.
So we got a bullish fair value gap on NQ here that I've been watching right around the 60 level. And we got only 12 seconds on this candle. They're trying to buy it up right here, but if they can, it's looking like it's going to get inverted. So it might end up being a place to take a short on the bounce.
I'm looking at another long on gold right now.
Oh yeah! Wow! Yeah, it held that New York real nice, eh?
And I'm in with 3 micros.
Nice.
I'm gonna put another $200 stop loss on this. If this candle can print above 42.77, I'll probably add to it.
Nice. I did take that short there. Okay, I locked it in. Another 37.50 on that MNQ short in the inverted fair value gap there. So
you're killing it today.
Locked in $91 on that 50K top 1 futures. That trade was 33 seconds. Yeah, I shouldn't be trading so good. I'm tired. I was up again until like 1 a.m. because of the hockey game.
You're tired. I have a nasty headache, and we're both doing pretty well today, considering.
Yeah, usually it's when I'm tired, it's kind of like the days where I don't do so good. But, you know, today's been pretty clean. You know, like nothing too wild, right?
Music licensing.
Yeah, so 91 there. What did I get over in this one? 85. And then my 150K account, I got 160. So 260, 340 on the day. I'm happy with locking that in actually as a day.
Actually, you know what? I screwed this trade up. I'm cutting out now.
Giving back a little bit of your profits there.
So that was the first test in New York VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
I'll let this go for just a little bit.
Licensing reimagined.
I know better than to take that trade off the first test in New York, and I don't know why I didn't. Yeah, I'm out.
Could have been a little more aggressive on it, or just held off.
No, I should have held off on it. I'll take
Nice.
that.
Heath? He said, "You got me trying GC now, Nick." LOL. Made
Oh
400.
shit!
Should have been 2K. Well, I can't be upset about 400.
Music licensing.
Nice job there, Keith.
Yeah, don't ever follow my trades. It's a bad idea. Actually, don't ever follow anybody's trades. That's just a bad idea. Make your own decisions.
Well, I don't know if he was actually following you, but he just said he's trying GC.
Yeah, I
That
know.
was at
I'm just saying because you didn't. Thank God.
Yeah. Yeah, Keith is he's pretty good at he's always doing a little slightly different than some of like the trades that I see anyways when I'm taking but he just probably sees the price action moving pretty nice, right?
Yeah.
I mean, gold was definitely a good one to trade today. Like you're on top of that for sure.
Yeah, but you see what I was saying about waiting for that second test of the New York VWAP? Tested it
Yeah.
once, came up above it slightly, and then just printed below.
And it's going back to retest that fair value gap again. 42.67 area. It's the bottom of that fair value gap.
Did you say 42.57?
No, 67.
Okay.
4267. Yeah.
So that's right where that double bottom was too.
Yeah. So they protected that one earlier. Oh wow! Whoa!
Yeah.
Ew.
Whew. That's not
was
pretty.
That was a chunk. That was 2 points. Zara, really annoyed with MNQ. Whenever bears have upper hand, they keep failing to push price lower. Just going to be patient now.
That's all you can do.
Yeah.
I'm looking at ES now. It's hitting that midnight VWAP.
Yep. Sitting right on midnight.
Still bullish for the day, but if it goes through midnight, I was really hoping to get up and stay above 6,900 today.
Yeah, and it was definitely looking that way. But so my short at 6,900 might have actually worked. Hey, that idea.
Mm-hmm.
But again, that's hindsight totally, right? And I would have probably had to sit through 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 plus minutes for it to like play out if I would have kind of taken it when it was right up there, right?
Let's see, at 6,900, it got up to 6,904. Yeah, you'd have been waiting a little while.
Yeah.
At least 20 minutes.
Yeah, depending on when you got in, but I probably would have got in somewhere around 10 a.m.
It's looking like a nice bounce off that 68.85 level for ES though.
Yeah. Just got the New York in the way.
Yep. If it can break through it, retest it, and go higher. But it's that holiday season. It's low volume, and I mean it's been going higher daily, but it's just such low volume right now.
Oh yeah, what about my Blue Guardian account? I have to check that. Did I get it yet?
Music licensing reimagined.
Nope.
Another little breakthrough of midnight VWAP.
There's that the short starting to work better on the NQ right now. Czar? I don't know. Maybe you already closed that trade because that's why you said you're going to be patient here.
Artlist.io.
You're going to grab a refill of coffee.
Music licensing reimagined.
This coffee's tasting real good today.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey Nick, is Rebecca in Canada?
Yes, but I don't know where in Canada.
Artlist.io.
I should get Randy to reach out to her because he knows her if she wants to come. Ralph sounds hot. I'm just going to put a fan on him.
Artlist.io.
Oh, geez, gold, man. Do you see that? Your mic's muted. But, wow.
Sorry, I had the mic muted.
Music
Like,
licensing
wow.
Um,
Holy
yeah.
smoke. It just died. Holy smokes.
Yeah, I'm glad I pulled out of that.
Yeah. I mean, I know you wouldn't have let it get that far, but still, it's
No,
just
no.
like crazy. It's crazy. What is YM doing now? I bet you YM is, yeah, YM finally broke down a bit also. Yeah, so I'm going to export my trades here. Get that all updated. 50K, September 13th.
Artlist.io.
So we got 6 people in the YouTube channel, 3 in the X and 3 in Nick's X today.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay. Zero, 2, 6, 4.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
That keyboard's so loud. So funny. 2008. 88.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, so 412 on the so far. Nice.
I got 3 micros on a gold short at 42.47 right now.
Oh, nice. Okay. Holy crap, hey, gold, man. Wow. Wonder
Yeah,
if it's
I couldn't.
Artlist.io.
pre-market lows there.
Well, I'm in a short, so that's what I'm kind of hoping.
Yeah.
I just locked in $50 in profit for that.
Holy crap. Look at it.
Oh
go.
shit!
Look at that go. Trail that.
Music
Yep,
licensing
trailing has happened.
reimagined.
Locked in 100.
I was like just about to enter 2, and I'm like, oh, well. Looking like it's still going to go further, but
Artlist.io.
geez,
Locking
man.
in 200.
MNQ starting to pull head lower too here.
And I'm out.
Nice. Nice trade.
Take that $305 worth of profit there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Beautiful.
Oh, looks like I got out just in time too.
Yeah, definitely a little bit of a bounce there. Still bouncing.
I'll take it.
Artlist.io.
So I tried to migrate my Lucid accounts all over to Tradeovate, but it looks like they're not gonna put my test accounts there.
Really?
Yeah, like I tried to migrate them all, and they only moved my funded account over, and they left the other evals on Project X.
I think you're gonna have to contact support about that one.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that, but I mean, I'm okay with it because, you know, if they're just, if that's the case, hopefully, yeah, I don't know.
Hopefully you'll get them passed before what is it, March 20th or 21st or something, when they
Yeah.
close down Project X.
Exactly. Some of them, like my number 2 account is only 370 away, and my number 3 account is only 500 and 560 away. So they're pretty close.
So now that we've blown through opening range low on gold,
Artlist.io.
I can honestly say I don't know what is going on.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
20 points below New York VWAP. Yeah, I can't short it this low.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
I short it here, it's just gonna come back on me, kick me in the teeth. But we do have
Music licensing
let's see. We have Thursday's low at 42.03.
music licensing.
Yeah, we're kind of back. We're back in the value areas now from the previous day's price action. So that bounce after that low rejected off the point of control, and yeah. So I mean, there's a good chance it might end up heading for London lows there, right? 42.24.
It's looking like it's going to do it here shortly. But again, I'm not taking a short this low.
Yeah, it could just bounce at any point here.
Yeah, I would. If I was going to take another short, I'd be waiting for a pullback on this.
Music licensing reimagined.
As I say that, it's dropping.
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Here's that pullback. Is
Yeah.
it coming? Is it coming? Look at the change your chart over to a 15-minute and take a look at that.
Music licensing reimagined.
That is
Take a look at which, sorry?
The 15-minute on gold. That is a ridiculously big red candle.
Yeah.
74 to 32. wish I would have went short at that high a day now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Which accounts are you trading now? Just the Lucid ones?
Yeah. I haven't really taken any trades in those ones yet, so.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Are you considering a short here?
No, I'm not considering anything right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm getting a little bit of choppy movement, so
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yikes, dirty gold. Czar.
Artlist.io.
hmm.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I am now in a gold long, 2 minis on a prop account at
Ooh, nice.
42.39. I'm just gonna hold this for a little bit.
Artlist.io.
Add 2 to it. Add another 2. So I'm in 6 minis total, and I'm out.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
That was a quick 500 bucks.
Beautiful. Nice big trade.
So, gonna switch to a different one now. Account number 109.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I saw that scalp opportunity and just couldn't resist it, but I didn't want to do it on a funded account
IO.
or a
Yeah.
personal account.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
Let's see if it just chops around here below midnight.
Artlist IO.
G7 and the EU are discussing imposing full ban on accessing maritime services by Russia to disrupt oil exports.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I saw something in my news feed that said Russia made a statement that if the EU
Coffee.
wants to go to war with Russia, that Russia would win. They can't even win a war with the Ukraine, and the Ukraine is not the European Union.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll be right back.
Sounds good.
IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Is this another gold short opportunity here?
Licensing
Could be, eh? Looks
reimagined.
like it's trying to head a little bit lower.
Like Czar, yikes, dirty gold.
Yeah, 100%. It's pretty nasty.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, it's being a bit of a bitch this morning.
Can make a ton though if you're on the right side, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it's just hard getting on the right side of it right now.
Yeah, like which way is it going to go? Pulling back a bit, but is it,
Is it gonna go higher and hit VWAP again?
Artlist IO.
Ooh, ES. Wow. What happened to ES today?
good question.
It's down below opening range.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh.
Well, I did take a short there on the gold, but I trailed it pretty quick and I got out at $36 profit.
Good deal. Yeah, if I was gonna get into anything now, I'd have my finger over that flatten button.
Yeah, I was pretty aggressive on. As soon as it started going into my favor, I put the stop in there. It's just like, again, it's pulling back right now, but it could just instantly turn around and go all the way back up to those, because that's what it
Yep.
likes to do, right?
Yeah, it just did it.
Right? Yeah, like it just went bullish for what, 38 to 48 almost, and then just completely reversed that 10 points.
Artlist.io.
All right, now I'm gonna open my IBKR account.
Okay, Keith, have a good day. Have a good weekend.
See you later, Keith.
Trump just said he's considering talking to Canada and Mexico again. That's good for us.
Good Lord.
Like, I know that, like, I don't know. I don't like our government stance on the states right now. Just like they're just like not really trying to get any deals done, And
I mean, honestly, I couldn't blame them, but I mean,
well,
I don't know.
Many industries are really suffering because of it, right? So it's kind of like, and that's exactly what our prime minister ran on. Is that like his thing was elbows up. I'm the best guy to get the deal with, done with Trump, and it was supposed to be like July 31st was supposed to be the deal originally, and then now it's end of the year and we still don't have a deal, and we just lost one of the largest pulp mill mills on Vancouver Island. They're shutting down. We lost what is it, Algoma Steel. They dropped 1,000 or more employees. It's like just getting hit really hard in multiple areas, right? So wishing they would come to a deal here.
Yeah, I'm wishing something would happen here too.
Yeah, look at that bounce, hey, on the gold, that pullback. 37 bounced up to 43. 6 points.
Yeah, as ES is going lower, gold's starting to go higher.
Yeah. So we can export these trades here.
Music licensing
This one is Lucid Trading Funded. Orders download.
Just gonna put in a 2 micro long here on gold, but I'm putting in a take profit this time at New York VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Where do you have the New York on that right now?
New York is at 68.88. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. I just switched over to a
Oh, yeah.
different chart.
Licensing reimagined.
Oh, it's up at 42.60.
There you go, 42.60.
Artlist.io.
Nice.
Sorry, switching back and forth between these charts is a royal pain in the ass.
Yeah, no doubt. Oh, my right shoulder's a little bit sore from hockey last night. I don't know what happened.
Haven't you learned you're too old for that shit now?
Music licensing reimagined.
Got to try to stay young.
Hey, missing here, Lister.
Missing here, Lister?
Listen here, Lister. You think you know so muck and fudge? Go in your own jackyard and back off. Don't repeat that.
Yeah,
Oh, we're still streaming, aren't we?
yeah. I started coming up with some like opening sayings for the stream when I start the stream.
Oh no.
This morning I was like, "Good morning. You're live inside Butcher's Floor, where patience meets pressure, and the only clean cuts survived. Let's carve out some opportunities."
What is wrong with you?
We're not paper trading dreams here. This is live cut. Every tick matters. Every move gets carved in real time. Let's get surgical.
Oh, good lord. I don't know why I like you.
I know I'm a bit of a weirdo, right?
I mean, weird is good sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, normal's boring.
That's what I keep telling everyone.
Yeah, back when I remember when I saw like you and had taken that whatever $100,000 winning day in the chat, I was like, oh, this guy, right? And then never would have thought like we were like trading together almost, most
Why
days
not?
of the week. I don't know, just because, I don't know.
Everybody gets lucky every now and again.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, not really sure what to do on gold here. Let's see what.
Well, you don't
We gotta-
have to do anything.
Yeah,
So
we have
that's
a
always-
126 contract volume ball on ES at 68.75. Sell volume.
woof.
That's probably somebody covering from the highs.
Artlist.io.
That's somebody taking profits right now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, gold sure slowed down on its movement now.
Oh yeah, there's no volume right now.
No, everyone's like, what the hell are we going to do with this price right now?
Mm-hmm.
Where's it going to go? But, it does look like it's holding that sort of 40 level, right? 40.
Mm-hmm. I've got my my stop loss in at 42.36 right now.
Artlist.io.
Okay, nice. Yeah, makes sense. Just sort of below those wicks of the previous
Yep.
couple 5 minutes. Yeah, if it starts heading down there, you don't really want to be in that trade anymore.
Yeah, and honestly, I'm in a bit of profit for the day, so I don't mind taking a tiny loss. I'm playing with house money.
Yeah.
And like I said, I put a take profit in at New York. As of right now, I'm down $50 in this trade. So
Okay. I'm just gonna take Ralph to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
do it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Really would like to see gold bounce back up again.
Artlist.io.
I'm saying that, hoping it just happens. It's listening to me.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
It's being contrary is what it's doing.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think it's trying to scare me out of this trade, actually. Ugh.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, this is not looking good for this trade. I am out. Pull this out and be done for the day. Lost $100 on that one. Still got pretty heavy green on this this account for the day. So I am going to leave it at that. Close this one up and lock it out.
Nice. Well, I guess I missed Czar there. Calling it a weekend. Thanks for the great week. Bye, guys.
Czar is officially relaxing now after
Yeah.
his huge green day.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Keith as well.
Yeah. Smart guys.
Not
What do I
mad
got
about
here?
it.
I made 450 today. It was pretty good. So 2K on the week. Actually more because, I mean, I know Sunday counted to last month, so it's not really showing up. But I did, I got 1,700 on Sunday.
I think
So it's kind of like a
I've been
$3,700 week.
nice. I think
Yeah.
I've been green every day this week.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Think so.
Tuesday I was a red, 288 red. I was I got chopped up on the stream there. I don't think you were trading with me that day. You were traveling or something that day, I think.
That's why I was green for the week. Is I didn't trade Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah. Tuesday I took a long and then it it reversed, and then I took a short, and then it reversed. I was like,
Oh.
I can't do anything right today. So I had like a 55% win rate that day, but kept it relatively small loss. So that's the main thing, right?
If you keep your losses small, that's all that, I mean, honestly, that's all that matters. Keep your losses small. Your winning days, let them go.
Yeah.
Don't oversize. Add to your winners, cut your losers quickly.
Yeah.
And other things that people say when it comes to trading. This is all shit that's been said before by just about everyone.
Yeah.
It's whether or not people listen to it. Add to your winners, cut your losers quickly.
Yeah.
Be patient, act like an adult. If you're gonna smoke, wear a condom.
Yeah, I don't really want to mess up my trades anymore. I don't know if I want to take anymore. We got 100%. So I got 100% win rate yesterday and today.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That just means that you're being patient and waiting for good trades.
Yeah, I have been trying to be. And a couple of them have gone against me, but like just felt like they weren't, it was just like a temporary against you. So I kind of like held through. I think I held through like a couple, could have been a decent losers if I cut them too early, and ended up recovering them. So it's a catch-22 about cutting it, right?
Yeah.
But
wow,
it's like,
ES is ugh.
pretty tough.
Excuse me. Just above that opening range low.
Oh yeah. I'm on a different chart right now, so it's like oh, now Trump said we will meet with Canada and Mexico because we got that trade deal, right? And it's supposed to end here, but in the fine print, actually, if no deal comes together, it just like continues. But there is some sort of clause where Trump could like back out of the deal. But yeah, so Trump's talking right now, so we got to be careful.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say about that. I could probably say a lot about it, but I don't think I'm going to today.
Mm-hmm.
Not in the mood.
Fair enough.
The Excedrin hasn't kicked in. That's who we should get as a sponsor. Actually, for you, it should be Ben Gay. After a night of playing hockey, when you're sitting down trading and your ass really hurts, try Ben Gay.
So weird. I have my phone's showing that I have one message notification, but I can't seem to see it. Okay, there we go. Weird. Power went out at the farm last night. There was a car accident. Somebody obviously smashed into a pole or something.
Ugh. Your horses and chickens okay?
Yeah.
You have horses, right?
No, just chickens. Chickens and quails and gardens.
Right,
a little longer on the ES.
I just went long on ES. Just 2 micros.
Yeah, me too, actually. There we go. Oh, shoot.
Wait, same size, same trade? Really?
Yeah. I was aggressive though and stopped out. So $3.
What? What are you doing?
I don't know. I put my stop in slightly in profit, and then it just gave me that. It just pulled back. So
Gotcha.
I'm copy trading these 3 Lucid accounts here. Should have held that though, but
Oh, I'm on my other personal account right now.
nice. Yeah, I've been kind of watching it there, and I was like, huh, starting to break that sort of consolidation zone that we were in on the low there. Just not very trusting at this moment. I don't really want to give it back. So $2 on fees and a $5 winner. So $3.
I mean, I'm only up $35 on this so far. And I'm just going to put my stop loss at $10.
Nice.
See what this does. Just 2 micros. What? This will be the trade that just rips your face off and goes through the roof.
Right.
Just I'll be crying that I didn't throw a mini on. It is coming up toward midnight VWAP.
Rip there. Yeah. Ripping.
All right, I'm up $40. 42.50. Keep going. I like my job.
Yeah.
On days like today, I like my job. All right, up $50.
Yeah.
Not a bad hourly. Oh, it's coming back down.
Ooh, that printed like lower start of the next candle, eh?
Well, I've got it on the 15 right now.
Okay. Yeah, the next 5-minute candle like
here.
Closed at 83.50, and then the next one opened at 83.
Slightly lower. Yeah. You know, I'm just gonna leave this in. I got $15 locked in profit.
Nice.
If it goes higher, it goes higher. If it comes back, I'll take my $15 and my ball and I'll go home.
Yeah.
It is funny trading for $15 though. It's all right. On a larger personal account, it seems kind of ridiculous, but right now I'm not really willing to risk a whole bunch of money.
Right.
This breaks above New York and continues to go higher, then I'll add to it.
Mm-hmm. We did form some pretty big wicks there on like the 11-20 candles there in this little area where we're at. So we that last 5-minute candle closed at the same level as those 2 other candles that have a big wick up to 87, and they all closed at 83.50.
Well, we're at midnight VWAP now, just crossing over it. Still got a bullish channel on that, so
Okay.
I don't know. Hey, I'm up $60 now.
Nice.
Not bad for a 2 micro trade.
Yeah. If there was a 10, that's what, 600.
No,
Right.
300.
Oh yeah, because never mind. Yeah, you need 20 contracts.
I know you're cute though.
Yeah.
Thank God you're pretty.
Some bad math there.
God, you're pretty. Because your math skills suck.
Well, I'm feeling the FOMO on that trade now, so I gotta sit on my hands here.
Do not FOMO into a trade.
Yeah.
Wait for a good entry. We're coming up on New York now. Do you trade off of VWAP levels?
I do. Depends. Like I would almost think that it would be a short on the VWAP, right?
For this, if it bounces off it, it would be a short. If it goes through it and then retests it, it'd be a long.
Retest and hold, kind of. Yeah.
Yeah.
My dad said, "Morning, all. Oops, forgot to hit send at 6:40 a.m."
Nice.
Just realized that that was 2 hours ago. Probably looked back at his phone. It's like, oh, it's still in there. Nice, going here higher.
All right, I just added 2 micros to it.
Right up to the New York now.
Still have $15 locked in profit.
Nice. No added risk, but
Yep.
added.
No added risk, but I added 2 micros to it, so
Added potential upside.
see, it's rejection off that New York VWAP right now.
Yeah.
That's 1. I'm gonna move my stop loss up a little bit just in case. I'm gonna double my profits here and take $30.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, look at that! I made $30.
Yeah, good timing on moving that stop up though. If it decides to go down here.
Well, we shall see. Well, that was the rejection off New York VWAP. So
Yeah. And we had a bearish fair value gap right at 68.84.
oh, now you tell me. Why am I getting emails from Grant Cardone?
Scam. Oh,
Some
big
fucking
buy volume ball there. 400 buy ball at 58.81. I mean, what is that? 68.81. That's right in a bullish fair value gap that we just printed.
68.81. We got. Huh.
Tempted to take a long there again, but after that rejection off the New York, I mean, it might go up there and take it again, but either that or somebody shorted it. Put a pretty strong short up there.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a minute and see how this plays out.
Yeah, we're coming down to the 200 EMA there also. Sort of at we're just on it right now, 68.78. Just took it.
Yeah, but it's been below it. It was below it for 20 something minutes before, prior to these 2 candles. So I'm not, I don't have much faith in it holding right now.
Yeah.
Let's look at this account and see what we got here.
Yep, 200 held now. Currently.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I'm not loving the price action rate in this area.
Not even a little bit.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm thinking we can just
I
wrap
was
it up.
just about to say that I think I'm done for the day.
Yeah, me
This
too. I
is-
mean, I'm happy with, locking in for, what is it, 460. So
Yeah, I mean, $460 for a day. That's a good day's wages.
yeah.
So, Dave,
Yes,
enjoy
sir.
your evening.
You too.
You
Have a
playing
good
hockey
weekend.
this weekend?
No, just one game a week. I just had it last night, so
Oh, okay. Is it
Yeah.
always on Thursdays?
it bounces around a bit, but it seems like this season has been quite a few Thursdays. So
Very good. All right, Doc. Well, you have a lovely weekend. Take care of your dog. Feed your chickens. Hopefully, power comes back at the farm.
yeah, it should be. I think it's back on. I think I saw. We got a Ring camera on the front gate, so it usually, if I see that going off, obviously power's back on.
Perfect. All right, Doc. Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and enjoy this snow and shitty ass cold weather.
Sounds good.
No, it doesn't. Sounds like hell.
No.
All right, man. I'll see you later. Have a good one.
Sounds good. See ya.
Artlist.io.
Oh, it's looking like it wants to go lower here. This NQ trade. Got some pretty volatile, like the tape is just ripping right in this area here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Lots of contracts being traded back and forth here at this 25,720-ish level.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, bouncing up there, rejecting off the 21 EMA.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, I think we're gonna wrap up the stream, everybody. Remember, traders, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and keep those stops tight. The market's always hungry, but so are we, right? All right, guys. Hopefully everybody's green, and also hopefully you guys got some value from this stream. maybe take some good trades with us, overall market sentiment, whatnot. Yeah. So have a great weekend. I'll be back live on Sunday. Probably, I think it's going to be 8 p.m. East Coast. It might be a little bit later this Sunday, but we'll be live for the Sunday session. So yeah, thanks so much everybody for tuning in, and we will see you on the flip side. Take care. Peace out.